Good morning, everybody. Grady with G&T Scrapping and Lawn Care. Want to show y'all what we're dealing with. Storms, rain, and more rain in Missouri. Went out and mowed yesterday. Still hooked to the truck. The rain just keeps coming. And we are flooded. We are flooding fast. Look at it blow. This is in Orion, Missouri at my house. Just raining. I'll walk you through and show you the backyard where the rain has already flooded my backyard. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but it looks like a lake out across the back. This is my backyard. My garden's flooded. Show you out the back door. It's just flooding everywhere. Right here's by my carport. I did manage to get to pick up a little bit of scrap metal. Well, actually, I got to pick up a lot of scrap metal. I'll be stripping that out this week, and I'll be bringing y'all in to watch it. Y'all stay safe, be careful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. G&T Scrapping and Lawn Care. Thank you.